Hello again. Many of us had a fine, settled start to the day, but things are turning wet and windy in the northwest due to a low-pressure system that's pushing its way in and its associated fronts. Meanwhile, the bulk of England and Wales, at least, under the influence of this ridge of high pressure. As a result, as we go through the rest of Wednesday afternoon, there's going to be a lot of fine, dry, settled weather across England and Wales. Watch out for, though, a few showers popping up, particularly towards the southeast. Across Scotland and Northern Ireland, though, turning increasingly cloudy, wet and windy as that low pressure pushes its way in. As a result of the wind and the rain, temperatures are going to be a little bit on the low side and feeling quite cool too. Meanwhile, in the south, whilst it's not going to be as warm as it has been recently, with highs around 22, 23 Celsius, it should feel relatively warm in any sunshine. Through the end of the day, we're going to see that rain sweeping across parts of Scotland. Could be some heavy bursts here for a time. And then that rain pushes eastwards and also southwards. So some heavy persistent rain likely across parts of northern England and North Wales as we go through the early hours of Thursday morning. Staying drier with some clear skies towards the southeast and not as warm as it has been through some recent nights. And even further north, those strong blustery winds with the risk of coastal gales will keep temperatures from dropping particularly low. Thursday morning then gets off to a wet start across parts of northern England and much of Wales, and that's how it's going to stay through much of the day because this front really doesn't make much progress, tries to push southwards but doesn't go at much of a speed, so continuing to see some rain across this central slice here. Further north across parts of Scotland, northern England and perhaps Northern Ireland, there'll be some blustery showers around, still the risk of some coastal gales. Meanwhile in the south we're going to hold on to the dry and perhaps sunny weather, and with that temperatures a little bit higher than on Wednesday, likely to see highs of around 24 or 25 Celsius here. As we head into the end of the weekend, that same frontal system causes us a few headaches. It is likely to push a little bit further northwards, and then what it does into the weekend, a little bit uncertain, but we are likely to see some further rain around, and that could be heavy at times. Meanwhile, the warmth in the south continues, so still likely to see temperatures in the mid-20s at least, and with that, we do have the risk of some thunderstorms. So it is worth keeping up to date with the forecast wherever you are on both the Met Office website, our app, and also our social media channels. Bye-bye.